Well, how y'all doing? Ho, PawPaw here again. Well, I've been wanting to buy me one of these little toys right here for a long time. And I've used different things to clean parts with. One of the things that I've purchased is a carburetor dip. Comes in a gallon can, it's about 20-something, and boy, it's really good at cutting the crud off of parts. But I had been looking at these ultrasonic cleaners for quite some time, and I realized that they would be really good at cleaning tiny things. And I've read on them and read on them and read about them and read the reviews. And this is the 2.5 liter ultrasonic cleaner from Harbor Freight, item number 63256. We'll be right back. We're going to take this out of the box and see if we can't put it to work. Well, folks, like I said, I've been wanting one of these a long time, and if you've been keeping up with my videos here lately, you know that I've been working on this Weed Eater brand hedge trimmer, and I was about to film part 4, which would be rebuilding the carburetor, where lo and behold, I gotta wait about a week or 4 days, something like that, I don't know, about a week for the parts to come in. And it's an oddball carburetor because it's a little older, and because it is a little older, it's not one that I can readily buy for like $12. I got some old Chinese carburetors out there that are being sold for the whole carburetor $12. Well, the rebuild kit for this one was $12. But what we're going to do is we're going to clean this thing so that everything is pristine before I take it apart. That way I don't worry about getting any trash and any of the little jets, any of the little ports or anything like that. And we're going to see if we can't get this ultrasonic parts cleaner from Harbor Freight to do the cleaning. Well, what we have here, it looks like we got a stainless steel pan. I have been told by people to put some silicone around where this pan meets this plastic, and that way you can pour your stuff out without worrying about getting liquid inside the cavity here. So they want to look at doing that. And it's got a little basket that sits down in the bottom to where you can lift your little parts out of there. And the cord comes loose from it, just like my hot pot does for my water. And most of these guys are talking about how they use simple green or this or that or whatever mixed with water to make their solution. Well, let me show you this little carburetor, because I want you to see a good before and then a good after of what this little ultrasonic parts cleaner is supposed to do. Lord, jerking on that daggum starter cord, I wrenched my back on that daggum thing. Okay, well, you see we got quite a bit of crud here and there. Quite a bit of gunk. So we're going to see if this thing don't come out nice and pretty. Okay, there's my gasket. Hopefully I can salvage it. But I know I'm supposed to take it all apart to put the rebuild kit in it, but I don't have the rebuild kit right now. So let's just test this ultrasonic parts cleaner. All right. Okay. Well, I've got the little carburetor set inside there, and we're up to the maximum level on liquid. And this thing comes ready to go at 180 seconds. And the book recommends 180 seconds as your typical cleaning cycle. It says find the time you want, and I'm going to go with what they recommend. I'm going to hit set. Whoops. Wasn't supposed to do that. 90, 180. I'm going to hit on. And I hear it moving. I'm going to push TC to get the heat going. I want you to look at this already. That's already doing something. Look at that. That is cool as it can be. Alright, well, I'm going to put some Dawn dishwasher liquid in there. Come back 3 minutes. Well, alright. So it went for 3 minutes. But obviously it's not all clean yet. And it said it may take more than one cycle. So I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put it for 480 seconds. That's 8 minutes, and come back. Well, I started my first cleaning was 180 seconds, which is 3 minutes. And then I decided to just go ahead and put it in there for 480 seconds. That's the highest setting. And let it run for 8 minutes. And I tell you what, I'm impressed. So PawPaw gives this ultrasonic cleaner 2 thumbs up. Look at that. That had all kinds of gunk all over it. So I can heartily recommend this ultrasonic cleaner. I am very pleased with it. And all I use for cleaning agent is I just squirted some Dawn dishwashing liquid in there. So you know what I like to tell folks? Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye.